Every single day you wake up, you're either moving forward or sliding back. There's no standing still. The choice is yours. But this time, don't do it for your parents, your teachers, or your coach. Make it personal. If you can make it about you, everything changes. It doesn't start with them, it starts with the person in the mirror. I don't know who I'm talking to. I don't know if you're trying to make the team, ace that final, or finally start that YouTube channel you've been dreaming about. I'm just wondering, are you brave enough to believe in yourself again? Are you ready to actually commit? Everybody wants the trophy. Everybody wants the likes and the shout-outs. But nobody wants the private discipline, the behind the scenes. Oh, what do your habits look like when nobody is watching? The character check. Are you the same person in the group chat that you are in the hallway? The extra mile. Are you putting in the work when the gym is empty and the lights are low? You want to be a leader? I'm not talking about being popular. I'm talking about influence, the power to actually make a difference. If you want people to follow you in public, you have to lead yourself in private. Put away the distractions that aren't helping you. Fix your character behind the scenes. Stop going through the motions. Last time, you were just doing school. You were just showing up because you had to, doing the bare minimum and following the crowd. And what happened? You got bored. You got tired. You felt like a failure because you lost a game or messed up a test. I'm asking if you're tough enough to come back. You might not feel like the smartest kid in the room. You might not have the cool clothes or the right connections. You might feel invisible because you don't have 1 million followers yet. Keep working in silence. If you can see the goal in your head, you can hold the trophy in your hands. But you have to be all in. The 24/7 grind. There are 168 hours in a week. If this is personal, you're thinking about your goals even when you're sitting in class or riding the bus. You're sketching ideas in your notebook, planning your next move, and leveled up your focus. Ask yourself, if I saw your search history or your DMs, would I see someone who's actually trying to be great? If I looked at how you spend your time after school, would I see a person with a purpose? Are you a miracle in public but a mess in private? You are a one of one. You are an unrepeatable miracle. In the history of the entire world, there has never been another you. No one has your exact DNA, your thumbprint, or your way of thinking. You aren't just another student in a desk. You are necessary. Take a deep breath and step into it. You are worthy of the big goals. Stop acting like everyone else and start being the authentic version of yourself. Make it personal, because when it's personal, nobody can stop you. Comment lock in if you're ready to own this week.